This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Adrienne Aron. Beautiful and spacious 2-bed/2-bath split bedroom plan, large private terrace with panoramic marina view. Guard gated, concierge, 2 heated pools, jacuzzis, sauna, gym, tennis courts, and new party room soon. Short walk to the WATERWAYS shops, restaurants, stores and grocery store. Small pet up to 15 pounds A-rated schools. Free Aventura shuttle bus. Storage locker, second car can be rented in the garage. For more information, review the details below.